Hey guys, well, I'm currently looking over the screen recording and exactly what it contains, since it's part of my homework. I honestly don't know exactly what steps we're supposed to follow. I do know I am creating a short little screencast. I added the webcam as well. Um, Other than that, I believe this is all it or what we need to cover, and I kind of got the hang of it. It wasn't hard at all um to create the video. I do not know how long it will take for YouTube. I've never worked with YouTube. Um so I guess I'll figure that out later. I didn't run into any issues with the program. Um, I'll figure this out then.